Hi, my name is Buck Bonner, and I work for MarineMax in Ball Ridge Marina in Cumming, Georgia. I'm staying on the back of one of our newest additions to our pre-owned fleet. It's 2007 310 Sundancer. This boat is in pristine condition. It has a lot of nice upgrades, and we just completed all services on this boat. So standing here on the swim platform of the boat, as you can see, this had the optional jump seat, which was a highly preferred option on this boat. When not in use, it'll tuck right out of the way and latch into position, giving you more additional space on the swim platform of this boat. If you want, step into the cockpit here with me. There's horseshoe-shaped seating, full wraparound. This boat also has the upgraded teak table here in your cockpit. There's going to be additional storage up under all of your seat bases. As you can see, this boat also comes equipped with a JL Audio subwoofer. They've had the audio in this boat upgraded throughout. You also have your refrigerator here in your cockpit to keep beverages cool during the summer. You have your wet bar, nice countertop space, as well as this boat has already been rigged for a cockpit television. So the television is down below. This is where your mount mounts. As we move towards the helm, this boat is powered by twin 320 horsepower Mercury engines. Plenty of horsepower for this boat. The performance is phenomenal. This boat is registering about 310 hours on your engine, so very low hours for a 2007. This boat's going to have a center walk-through to your bow also. Right here in the cockpit, it's a very nice feature for this boat. You don't have to go around the side of the boat. You can go straight through your windshield up to the bow to access your windlass or your spotlight or anything needed up on the bow. Let's go down below and check out the salon. As we move into the salon of the boat, as you can see, the condition of the interior is extremely clean. The carpet runners are very clean. The the upholstery, the carpet, everything about this boat is in great condition. The microwave area over here is very clean. The coffee pot has plastic in it. Looks like it's never been used. You'll also come over here to the counter space, and you'll have your stove and your hot ice here. It looks very gently used, if ever, as well as you will have your cockpit salon refrigerator, excuse me. Cockpit cool boxes here, and additional storage throughout the boat. Just like all Sea Rays, they do a tremendous job with including storage compartments into the boat. Here in your midship, you do have a nice salon sofa here that does pull out into a single sleeper as well. And then we'll check out the aft sleeping quarters. Here in the salon, you also are going to have your head with extendable shower head that can be latched on at the top for dual showers and alternative purposes. You're moving into the midship sleeping quarters. This here is your midship sleeping quarters. Ample space here, wide enough for two people to sleep comfortably. As you can see, this here is a filler cushion. If we didn't have the filler cushion now, we'd have a nice wraparound sofa here in the midship of the boat. Lots of space to hang out with your guests in the AC or go to sleep for the night. Just over here to the left of me is going to be our bow filler, our bow cushions. So these cushions will strap onto the bow to give you a nice spot to lay and lounge in the summer heat. And we have them stored away nice in here to keep them nice and in good condition for you. So come out to Ball Ridge. My name's Buck Bonner. I'd love to show you this boat in person.